Hey, just wanted to have more of an informative video today, not just a fun, cutesy one, but a little bit more about why I'm loving the digital product I am selling. So first of all, people say all the time you need a following in order to make a profit. That's not accurate at all. You don't need any following. Just like everyone else, you start out with 0 followers and you work from there. Just because you have a high follower count does not mean you have a high sale count, okay? We talk about how connection equals currency, right? So just because you have a high follower count doesn't mean you connected with your perfect customer, and it doesn't mean that you're going to build a profit, okay? So you don't need followers in order for this to work. Second thing is you also don't need experience in digital marketing either, or technology, because they teach you how to do it. Okay, you following me here? 2 reasons why you can't say you can't do this right now. Okay, and then the third thing I wanted to share today is why not? Why not jump in when you have a program that gives you weekly webinars on how to be successful? Why not? Tell me your reasons and let's talk. I am nothing special either. I am a mom of 2, stay-at-home mom. I have no knowledge in digital marketing until I started this program, and I'm making it work for myself and my family. Why can't you make it work for you? Let's talk. Drop a mom below and let's figure out how we can help you make a profit.